Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you the new way to skip the Microsoft account sign-in on the latest Windows 11 builds, since the old OOBE bypass NRO command no longer works. Start the Windows 11 setup and go forward until you reach the sign-in screen. Now press Shift and F10 to open the command prompt. In the window that appears, type start ms-cx-h:local and hit enter. A new pop-up will appear saying, "Create a user for this PC." Just enter your local username, create a password if you want, and confirm it. Finish the setup as usual, and that's it. You've just bypassed the Microsoft sign-in and created a local account instantly. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.